Welcome back. So in this video, we'll be discussing on the network discovery. So basically, the network discovery will be done when you are connected into the network. So where you might be a penetration tester or a real attacker. So you should be physically connected to the network, or you should have any compromised machine which is inside the corporate network. So for this demonstration, I have a few virtual machines. So I have one uh, Windows 10 and one Linux-based virtual machine, Ubuntu Linux virtual machine, and one Windows Server 2019 and one Windows XP machine, and also I have one Kali machine. So first of all, in the network discovery, if you want to discover whatever the live IPs available, live devices available in the network, so you can do the simple commands. There is a thing called a ping sweep. So through ping sweep, we can ping all the live IPs in a particular subnet. So here you can use this particular command for forward slash one and percentage I. So percentage I is basically to increment the subnet. So here I'm defining that the increment should start from 1 to 255, and for that you do the ping, and while you need to increment number one by one, and the weight should be 100, and this is the subnet which has to be pinged. And also I want to the ping reply, and I want only one reply, and now we can press enter. So it will immediately ping all the IPs in that particular network, and whichever the IP is responding, so we can assume that that particular IP is available in the network. And while pinging, I'm getting an interesting thing. For few IPs, I'm getting the TTL value as 128, and few IPs I'm getting the TTL value as 64. So when you get the TTL value in the reply, when you get the TTL value as 64, it might be a Linux-based machine or Unix-based machines. It might be a Ubuntu Linux or a Red Hat Linux, or any Unix-based machines will have a TTL value of 64. And any machine which has the TTL value of 128, so that is 128, so that is a Windows-based machine. And also, if there is a TTL value with the 255 value, so that might be a Mac operating system or any uh, Cisco based devices like routers or something like that. So with the ping command itself, we are getting some fruitful information. So to get the to witness the evidence here, so here I have two Unix-based machine. One is the Kali machine, the other one is the Metasploitable machine. So these two machines are a Unix-based machine. Apart from that, I have a Windows XP machine, uh, 2000, sorry, Windows 10 machine, and also 2019 server. So that's why I'm getting the TTL value response 128 from the other IPs. Okay, so here we are getting just a simple result. But if you want to scan the entire network, entire physical network, so where we can also use this particular Kali machine. So in a Kali machine, we have very good tools for scanning the network. So out of that, we have one particular famous tool called Net Discover tool. So using which we can discover the physical network as well as a particular subnet also. So let me open the terminal. So for discovering the live IPs, you can use Net Discover. If you want to scan the entire network, so entire physical network, so where you can use the option hyphen I is to mention the interface. So interface name is ETH0. So how do I confirm this ETH? The interface name is ETH0. So I can show you here. So basically in Unix computers, to see the IP address, you can use the command IP hyphen space IADD, or you can use ifconfig. Let me use ifconfig, I'm sorry. And here you can see my computers. This is the ETH0 is the interface name, and this interface is configured with this IP address, and this is the subnet mask. So which means that the subnet of this interface is 10.10.10.0/24. So 24 I'm just saying based on the subnet mask configured. So currently we are going to scan the ETH network. So in which physical network this ETH0 is connected. So it is going to discover the entire network. So when you press enter, you can see here it is scanning all the subnets one by one, and here it is getting some informations. So it is able to find this IPs or live. So obviously, when you're scanning the entire network, it will take some time to uh, complete this command. So in meanwhile, let me use the same command with another option. Let me clear the screen. So again, I use the net discover command. If I know the IP subnet, because uh, uh, by using ifconfig, we came to know the subnet of this device and the range of this device. So if you want to scan a particular range of IPs, or if you know the subnet, so if you want to scan only the subnet alone, so in that case you can define hyphen r is to define the range. So I want to discover the uh, all the live IPs in this particular subnet range /24. So now you'll get the response, and here you can see since it is scanning only one particular subnet, so the discovery was completed fast. And here you can see we have 10.1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 254. So this is how we can perform the network discovery. So if it is if you have multiple network subnets, see currently in this demo lab I have only one IP subnet. If I have multiple IP subnets, so through this command we'll get the uh, IP live IP information of the entire physical network. But with this command you can get the IP address information, live IP information of one particular subnet alone. So this is how you can scan the network and you can discover the live IPs. And that's all for this demonstration. And we'll discuss the remaining topics in the upcoming videos. Until then, bye bye.